everybody, it's me Stacy here at Scrapbooking Made Simple, scrapbookingmadesimple.com, and I am here with week number 5 of the 2024 Make It Monday Summer Warehouse Sale here at Scrapbooking Made Simple. Whew, that was a mouthful. We are down to our final week of the warehouse sale, and that means that I have 2 last companies entering the warehouse sale for you. 2 last amazing companies with their product at 50, 60, 70, 80, 90% off, and sometimes more. Now, if you've been following the warehouse sale, you know that each week we introduce new manufacturers to you. We put their product online, but of course, all the other product that didn't sell out carries forward. So week 5, you will be able to see everything that's still available at the warehouse sale. But once it's over, once we turn it off on Monday, well, poof, the sales disappear too, as does the product. The product will not be on our site. It will completely disappear until we decide it's time to do another warehouse sale. We'll see. I've already started buying for the next warehouse sale. Frightening, right? So if you leave something in your cart and you come back a little bit later on, there's a chance that it may be sold out if it's before Monday, or if you leave it until Monday, there's a chance that the product will no longer be available to order, and you'll just have to take it all out of your cart. So please don't wait. Please don't miss these deals. Truly, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90% off on your favorite manufacturers. It is a way for Scrapbooking Made Simple to help keep crafting affordable for all of you. From the newest crafter who this is a great opportunity to pick up some things to play with, and for the most seasoned crafter who's like, oh, I've wanted that die for forever, but not for 20 bucks. However, for $1.99, Stacy, I'm in. So today I have the last two manufacturers that are going to launch at, well, now they've already launched. Hopefully I clicked the button and I loaded the site. If not, remind me. Click the button, Stacy, click the button. Because I have to load everything in. But I have Hero Arts for you today, and I have Memory Box, which encompasses Memory Box and Poppy Stamps, and we might even have some Birch Press in there. So I'm going to tilt on down. I'm going to show you some of the product. I'm going to remind you that you're going to find it at scrapbookingmadesimple.com. This is an online only sale. I'm going to ask you to watch the video that will tell you all about the terms and conditions of this sale. I can tell you that many people already have their orders in hand. Yep. But remember, the longer the sale goes, the longer the orders become, because you have more to choose from. So the slower it will take us to get them out, but we're doing our very, very best. All right, you guys, if you're all in, I'm all in, and I can't tell you how much I appreciate all of your support and kind words and encouragement and just your thank yous for this sale. It is a lot to put on. There's a lot of work that goes on behind the scenes that we're trying to make it look seamless. Like, no problem at all. But underneath the tail, so we're like ducks on the top. We're just swimming. But underneath the water, our little feet are going paddle, 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 paddle. That is what a warehouse sale is. So much that has to happen behind the scenes to make all of this happen, from the manufacturers, from my staff, and really, I'm just excited that so many of you have had the opportunity to take advantage of it. Tilt on down and let me show you what we've got. Are you ready? I'm going to start with Hero Arts, and this is just a sampling of what we have. I'm just showing you a few items of what is available. What we actually have for both of these companies is substantially more. All right, let's tilt on down. Okay, zoom on in. So let's start with Hero Arts. And we have, Oh, we have some of their inks. I can't tell you how much, but we absolutely have some of their cube inks available. Yay, right? Everybody loves inks, and Hero Arts is a great company. We have some of their box sets available where this is the holiday where you get stamps to go for every single holiday. Just cute little stamps to decorate envelopes with or cards with, just your little place settings with. Super cute. Great for kids because they're wood mount, they're easy to hold, and yes, they come with an ink pad. So Hero Arts, we have got Hero letters. Hello. I can't tell you what letters we have, but I can tell you that we have at least the H, the E, the R, and the O. So these are red rubber stamps. You can take them off the block if you want by just heating them in the microwave for about 10 seconds and pulling the letter off if you want to keep them, more confined and condensed, and use it on your stamp stencil and stamp tool or your stamp positioner. You don't have to leave them on the block, but we do have from Hero Arts their wood block stamps in a bunch of different letters and numbers. We've got, this one says breathe in nature. Okay, absolutely. We also have their clear sets. Ooh, this is a stamp and die set. That'll be on sale. We've got a Stampin' Cut that's on sale. So stamps and dies. Where we could make bundles, we did. So we've got our stamps and the coordinating dies. Not all stamp sets will come with dies. Oh, look at like this one. This is just a stamp set. Super cute though, the little ship in the bottle. How darling is this? All from Hero Arts. Calling All Monsters. This is a stamp set only. And they're 50, 60, 70, 80, 90% off and more. And we even have some of their Heroscapes. And this set has the die to go with it. So we even have some of their Heroscapes. So lots to choose from. Again, this is just a very small assortment of what is available. And where we could put the die with it, we did. Or if it came with the die, it's in there. And this is all from Hero Arts. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90% off. Then we have Memory Box and Poppy stamps. So let me grab some of the Memory Box. So Memory Box, super cute, darling, easy, love Dave. Does a great job. Cute little Christmas trees. These are absolutely darling on a finished card. They're darling on a tag. Then we've got the shadow with the frame with the trees coming up and additional trees. And here. And then this one, and these are great as a trio because you can mix and match. We have their folk art tree. And there's Santa sleigh. And your winter cabin, or it can be any home. We've got the mini bird song with the bird on the branch. We've got Joyous Noel. Ooh, and we've got a slimline. Look at that diagonal. That's big. The fabulous for a slimline. Oh my gosh, I bet this makes beautiful, beautiful cards. Love the slimline size. But then we also have hot foil plates available. All hot foil plates. So memory box too. But memory box also is part of Poppy stamps. So I have got some Poppy stamps for you. Lovely lily pads. Oh, and this is very pretty. Look at how gorgeous is that. And then we've got a basic butterfly shape. And fresh petals. Oh, and this one's good. Stitched alpine snowflakes. Aw. And snowman love. Aw. And crystal ornament backgrounds. So between the Poppy stamps, which aren't stamps, these are all dies, that's just the name of the company. Such beautiful things, but then we also have memory box and such beautiful things. All at 50, 60, 70, 80, 90% off and more. We even have some birch press designs. And this is a layering stencil. 3 stencils, all layering, all for you. So what makes your heart happy? What budget are you in? Does that 90% off go, ooh, and you can look on our site and we have it categorized not only by manufacturer, you can look and see by manufacturer in the Make It Monday warehouse sale. It will say, I think, items by company or items by brand, but you can look and see what's available for under $2, under $5, under $10. And if that's an easy way for you to shop, have a great time. Just know that supplies are definitely limited and that it's a first come, first serve. And if we only have 3 of these left, 6 of you may have this in your basket. It will be the first 3 that are able to check out and fully submit their order. The other 3 will have to remove it from their basket to be able to check out. So it's first in, first out. And we're doing our absolute best to get these products to you as quickly as possible. And it really does just make my heart so happy when I see that people are like, oh my gosh, I already got my order, or I got the shipping information on my order. It's just absolutely wonderful. So this is the last week for our summer warehouse sale. Once this is over, again, the products will not be added to our website at full price or at a sale price. They will just poof, disappear. And if you have them in your cart and you haven't checked out by the time we turn the sale off, which will be Monday, I'm guessing somewhere in the 3 o'clock range, somewhere close to Monday, 3 o'clock sunny California time, 5 o'clock Central, 7 o'clock Eastern. That way, because then I have a new Make It Monday for you. We're back to our regular Make It Mondays. So if you haven't already submitted your basket by then, and you try to do it after the sale has been turned off, it won't let you. All the product will need to be removed from your basket. So don't wait till the last minute. Take advantage of that 90% off and get yourself some steals and some deals from companies that you love, love, love. As of this point, everything is turned on. Everything that's going to be in the warehouse sale for the summer warehouse sale is up. Anything that was in previous weeks that's still available is still there for you, and it is free shipping over $50 for domestic accounts. International accounts, we will do our best to refund you any overage that you've paid for shipping. If there's anything due, we do our best to ship it in as small of a container or as small of a box as possible. And our shipping rates are inflated for international peeps. But if we can get it down, if we can ship it in something smaller than what you've been quoted, we will refund you the difference. We only ship priority mail, so that way there's tracking all the way through. And we hope you enjoy. I think it's been a fun warehouse sale. I've had a super great time. It's been lovely reading all of your comments on your orders under the notes section and seeing the excitement of finding something that you've always wanted, and here's an opportunity to get it for a song, or that you missed getting around the first time and here it is again and you can't wait. And or even the comments about purchasing some things for some of your crafty friends to give to them as a surprise, because when you're paying $1 and $2, well, it really, I mean, you can pick up a few things for crafty friends and surprise them with a Wahoo Kachoo on a craft day. So it is me, Stacy, Scrapbooking Made Simple, scrapbookingmadesimple.com, with the very last week number 5 of our summer warehouse sale, and we have added Hero Arts and Memory Box to the assortment. I hope you have a great time. I will be back Tuesday for our next Take Two Tuesday event, and that will be featuring 2 products or more. I tend to feature more of either my latest and greatest Sizzix collection, my Nod to Christmas, which released July 1st. I have my inks from Jacquard and my glitters from Couture Creations. So I will see you tomorrow, 5 p.m. sunny California time, 7 p.m. Central, 8 p.m. Eastern, for the next Take Two Tuesday, where we'll pick a few independent retailers that are carrying these products, and we will share all of their information with you, keeping crafting, mom and pop crafting stores, keeping them going and really supporting our entire industry. So happy to be able to do that. All right, you guys, I will see you a little bit later, and have a good night. Bye, everybody.